This
Fine.
conference will now be recorded.
So let me know when you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, able to see.
Yeah, so this is like a continuation from the previous day, that is managing metadata. We'll see what is sorting and what is the concept of grouping. So this is where we at this point go through quickly. In any of the previous slides, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm just running through them very quickly. The previous things.
No, there's no.
So you're clear with this concept also with of dimensions and measures, right? No one has any questions on this. It's clear, right? What is each one?
Can you show in the Tableau once again? I did that
Yeah.
in Tableau. I couldn't get the
Okay.
result that.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm connecting to. So this part you're clear, right? You have to go to a file,
Yeah. Hmm.
select Excel, go to your folder wherever your data source. Okay. Just saying open, and then either you can drag this and drop it, or you can double click it, and you have your columns with the data types populated over here. So you go to sheet one. You have your dimensions as well as measures here. So which part is that, Pranisha? Which one is that you wanted to?
How did you that change the category into continuous? Yeah, into the
Okay, continuous and discrete fields.
yeah, yeah.
So what I did was I took the example of quantity and sales. Both are actually measures only.
Oh, oh,
Quantity and
sorry.
sales.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So if you would have taken a category kind of a thing,
Mm-hmm.
it would automatically will be giving you headers only.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, that is good.
So what I did was, for our understanding, what I did was, instead of taking a dimension, which is a clear-cut discrete field,
Mm-hmm.
I intentionally took a quantity measure.
Mm-hmm.
Then either you can right-click it, or you can hit this drop-down also. This button is there, right? Small.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will come like convert it to a dimension. So these are the options. What I will say, I'll convert this to a dimension.
Oh, okay, okay.
So the it is still continuous, because by nature it was a continuous field, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it is staying in continuous action only. So further,
Okay.
what I did was, after converting it to a dimension,
Mm-hmm.
I changed it from continuous, which is default, to discrete.
Oh, okay.
So then we are
Yeah.
getting a bar
Uh-huh.
kind of a graph.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, got it.
We are getting the headers over here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This to for the sake of understanding, I took such fields.
Okay.
So how it will be changing, how you get headers, and how you get access, uh, and why, and that you can change that from a measure to a dimension, any field.
Okay,
And
okay.
you can also choose whether its role should be a discrete thing or a continuous thing.
Mm-hmm.
So for that reason, I have taken these measures only and
Okay.
interchanged their roles.
Mm-hmm.
So the based on that, whether it is giving an axis, or whether it is giving a header, the difference, why some fields are giving headers and why some things are giving access. To understand that, we are doing this. So you might be confused in the visualization. So there is a header and you're thinking you want to do the actions of an axis on it. It's not coming. So you'll be thinking why I can't do it. I can do it over here, but not on this line. So the reason is because that field is a discrete one. That's why it's giving a header. So that's what we've seen two times, type and role. And these are the different things. The blue and green fields. And this concept also is clear, right? So what do you mean by what do you mean by discrete?
Mm-hmm.
Um, and why it is called a blue field or a green field or a blue pill or a green pill?
Yeah.
So those are these are the combinations you have seen, and that two examples. Then we are in managing metadata, right? So in the managing metadata, let me clear this sheet. Okay. So in the managing metadata, we have seen like you can hide fields. So I'll use a few things like category and sales. Shall take some visualization to a bar. I'll go to another sheet. Take say market and profit, and I'll take it to be a pie chart. Something like this I'm doing. So some visualizations are already built on my sheet
Mm-hmm.
using few dimensions and measures. Then what I can do is there is another option like hide all unused fields. So generally you might be using only some set of dimensions and measures, and you can do this option of hide all unused fields. So remaining things are not used, and it's
Uh-huh.
just cluttering your view. So you can just click on hide all unused fields and only the ones which are actually used in the visualization are shown.
Okay.
So if you want to undo that, actually you should click on unhide all fields, okay, show hidden fields, and each of the fields you have to select. So you can click the first one, hold shift button and say unhide. The
Okay.
same thing is for measures. So select all and say unhide.
Okay.
Or there is if it was like immediate step, so you just know hidden the field and immediately you realized, oh, I don't want it to, you can do this do and undo button. So this undo or control z,
Mm-hmm.
is like what we use in our normal windows, so it will undo the action, previous action. Even that you can do. Rename fields, I think did you try? So it is a little bit hard if you are trying to do a click. To do a right click, it is quite easy. You can just hit rename. But if you want to click and rename it, you have to do it very slowly. One
Yeah.
click and second click, then only it will come. If you do it fast, it will come into visualization.
Yeah. 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 I got it.
So that you keep in mind. So double clicking will change the field name, but if you are doing it very fast, it will come out of the visualization.
Yeah.
The next is changing the data type. So just these icons you can click, these data types, okay, click on them and you will have the remaining set of data types. So these are like the things which are by default given over here. So there are type conversions also which you can do using some functions within Tableau. So that comes as a calculated field wherein you can do a type conversion from one form to other. So this is like straightforward way of doing from the view, and there is the other way of in the intermediate field, that is after splitting or after calculating also, you can change the type of that particular field or use that change type in your function also. So that will cover when we come to the point of calculations. What do you mean by calculations in Tableau?
Okay.
Next is folders. So were you able to create folders?
Yeah.
because it is a little bit tricky in the sense that if you are not in this group by folder, you won't see the folders. If it is group by data source, you will not see any of the folders.
Okay.
And you have to click on this empty space in these dimensions to get that option, group
Yeah.
by folder. So then you can create a folder to, if I'm in group by data source and I'm right clicking in this empty